The objective of this project is, first, to illustrate the phenomena of the hydraulic system in the excavator machine. Second, to make the excavator model as an educational tool so that students will become more interested in learning. Lastly, to investigate the efficiency of hydraulic cylinder arrangement in an excavator.
So now I will demonstrate our excavator. Let's go.
Know what is hydraulic system?
Yes, I know. Hydraulic system is one of the application of Pascal principle. Pascal principle states that the pressure applied to a confined fluid increases the pressure throughout by the same amount.
That's true. Let me demonstrate this using hydraulic system.
So go ahead.
Wow, that's amazing! So you guys already understand the concept?
Yes!
Conclusion. In a conclusion, the excavator machine model allows us to see the hydraulic system. A simple theoretical and logical explanation of how the hydraulic system works is possible. Thus, the objective are successfully achieved, which is one of it is to make the excavator as an educational tool.